motion, this shit working. Turn it up and he had to do it to him. Wow. Hill game shit, nigga. We only get better with time. She still want me hit it again. She called me hollering at her friend, but I can't lie, they both attend. This beginning of the end was in the streets, don't recommend. My favorite thing to do is spend the lawyer 20 to defend. You die out here trying to pretend. They try to hit but with intent. It was still worth every cent. It's 9 a.m. and I'm still bent. And know her call, she trying to vent. Brand new Glock straight off the vent. She trying to live under my skin. I hit, then I leave with a grin. I probably only last a minute, but I hit, so I still win. Yeah, shawty super fish, she lit the nut off of her chin. Yeah, it's gon' cost 100K to get bro out the pin. How many times you gon' ask God to forgive your sins? Tryna fuck them.
Hey guys, what's up? Hope everything is good.
Yeah, hope you all are doing well. So we decided to cycle today, all the way from our house till here. And this lake is a pretty...
It's a serene environment.
Yeah, it feels really natural. And the water level of course has come down, but still has a good amount of water. Looks good. And the second thing is, this place is pretty calming. You can also do meditation. We tried meditation, we tried getting the shot. And we'll be running now, burning some calories.
The heat wave is killing it.
Yeah, the heat wave is killing it. There's a lot of heat, but still, at least the plants kind of just dismay the heat. So yeah,
See you.
So this place which you're seeing behind me, it's pretty...
Yeah, I'm there. I'm right here.
And you all are walking. We have completed running, and pretty calm place to stay. Look at that. Yeah. Guys, we have found the spot, and let me just turn around the camera and show you how the birds and the lake all combine together to find a place.